Hey, welcome back and good morning to you. It's 5:12 on your Monday. We are kicking off our work week here with some chilly weather as you walk out the door. Certainly need a jacket or a sweater. We've got 30s and 40s for you in most locations. Only 50s we have are right near our waters or in the CBD. It's 52, but it's 49 out in Kenner, and it's the 30s once you start to get out into the river parishes, and then certainly the 30s on the North Shore. It is clear. We don't have any major weather problems for you. The winds are really only gusty right there at the lakefront. Everywhere else, they're relatively calm, so not a bad way to kick off our Monday. And it's going to be gorgeous today. Look at this. Mid-60s this afternoon, but couple it with sunshine and a slight breeze out of the north. Picture perfect. So it should be really nice if you want to get outside. If you do need to get out and do some Christmas shopping, today is going to be a great day for it. Now, if you're traveling, especially northeast, heads up, we were just talking about this massive nor'easter that's been blowing across the U.S. Now, if we had had cold air in place, we would be talking about one of the biggest blizzards the East Coast has seen in a long time. Not the case because they didn't really have the cold air, but it's been bringing some just insane impacts. Charleston saw significant flooding from surge yesterday. Now it's up the East Coast with high wind warnings up here from Long Island up through New England. Winds could gust 60 to 70 miles an hour. So that's what they're dealing with this morning and through this afternoon, but by tonight things will probably improve there. For us, notice there's really not much going on across the central and southern U.S. In fact, we have another cold front that's going to be coming in later tonight. What does that mean? Well, it's going to be colder tomorrow morning with a breeze. Tuesday morning, we wake up in the low to mid 30s North Shore, low 40s with wind chills probably in the 30s here on the South Shore. So even colder for tomorrow morning. Hopefully it's got you in the Christmas spirit. Now, this cold air is not going to last very long because we're going to gradually warm up, and wouldn't you know it, just in time for the holiday, we're going to get closer to the 70s. So we are going to be close to 70 Christmas Eve and Christmas. It is not going to be a chilly, cold Christmas like we saw last year. Now, it's not going to be a scorcher, but the upper 60s is a little bit warmer than we normally are this time of year. The other story, this is a storm system. The warm-up is going to come with some rain, and I do think our rain chances are going to be on and off. There's going to be several rounds through the weekend and early next week. Now, with that being said, it's still way too early for the exact timing. I was just looking at our models here, and some models keep us mostly dry Saturdays, others have some heavier rain. So we're still trying to iron out that detail of when exactly the rain moves in. But I would say plan on the rain Saturday, Sunday, and Monday, several rounds, so there will be some breaks. Now, with multiple rounds coming in, we will watch and see how quickly it adds up. There is some guidance that suggests we could see 3 to maybe 5 inches in a few spots. As we know, it doesn't take a lot to get some flooding around here, so this is something we'll need to keep an eye on in and around the 23rd, the 24th, and the 25th. Once again, the timing, that detail will be ironed out soon. So your Christmas forecast, an early look at it, it's 8 days away, but it's not in the 7-day forecast, but here you go. We're in the upper 60s most of your Christmas day. The morning will probably be in the upper 50s and low 60s, so not really cold Christmas morning with some rain possible. The big question is the timing. That detail we'll have for you as we go through the week. So there you have it. Weather overall mostly quiet all week long. Great weather to get the last minute shopping done. By the way, the first day of winter, the winter solstice, is Thursday. That's December 21st. And you can see the weekend there. We'll be watching for multiple rounds of showers. Maybe a thunderstorm. I don't think we're going to have major severe weather problems here, but maybe some heavier rain at times as we get closer to Christmas. Marine forecast, a bit choppy out there, especially tonight. The winds will pick back up, and then we'll have a fresh breeze out of the north on Tuesday with still an east breeze heading into Wednesday. And I'll leave you with your high tides. Those are running highest this morning, and your low tides are going to be happening later on through the afternoon.